Hello, my dear students. Welcome to our English class. Today, we are going to discuss about another part of a speech, that is verb. What is verb? A verb is a doing word that shows an action, an event, or a state. Again, we can say a verb is a word or a combination of words or a condition. A verb is a word or a combination of words or condition. I mean, a verb is the part of a sentence that tells us what the subject perform. What the subject perform. Subject जोड़ा करूची. I mean, the work is done by the subject is called verb. Verb are the main, keyword of English sentence. Without verb, we can't form a sentence in English. So, we can say that verb is the heart of English sentence. No sentence can be completed without verb. Verb बिना कौन सी word sentence सही परिवा नहीं. Basically, there are four types of verbs: action verb, main verb; auxiliaries, helping verbs; transitive verbs, and intransitive verbs. Now we are going to discuss about action verb and auxiliaries. What is action verbs? Main verb in the sentence. The words showing something being done by the subject are called main verb. MV, main verb. As example, we can say he writes a letter. Here writes is a main verb, the action word. The teacher teaches us English. Here the teacher is a subject. The teacher teaches. The work is teaches. So here teaches is main verb. The children played well. The children is a subject. Work is played. The work is done by the children. Played. Played is the verb, main verb. This is about our main verb. Then come to our auxiliaries. What are the auxiliaries? Auxiliaries, the words, those help the main verbs to complete their sense are called auxiliaries. To complete the sense of the sentence. It is also called as a helping verb. It helps in the sentence to complete the sense. She is reading a book. She is reading a book. Here she is our subject. Reading is our main verb. But is here auxiliary. It helps the subject to complete the verb. So, like this, I have bought my pen from the market. My father is reading the newspaper. I have bought. Here, but is our main verb. Have is auxiliaries. I shall play in the field tomorrow. I shall play. Shall is your auxiliary verb. Play is your main verb. Let us know about the diagram. My dear students, we can understand better the verbs by the help of this diagram. You may see the diagram. Here verbs divided into two parts. One is the main verb MV, another is the auxiliaries AV. Main verbs, I mean action words. Main verbs, I mean action words like go, eat, play, sing, catch, do, swim, sleep, draw, run, stand, walk, etc. Then come to the auxiliaries. It is known as a helping verbs like do, is, are, was, were, have, has, had, will, shall. These are the auxiliaries. Again, the auxiliary is divided into two. One is primary auxiliaries, another is modals. प्राइमरी ऑक्सिलरी रे आमे देखिबा तीनोटी वर्ब अछि डू वर्ब बी वर्ब एंड हैव वर्ब डू वर्ब रे अछि डू डज डिड अगेन कम टू बी वर्ब इज am are and was were is am are and was were. Then come to have verb. Have verb are has, have and had. Then come to modal auxiliaries. Modals will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, like this. In a higher class, we can read more about the modals. में जो प्राइमरी ऑक्सिलरीज देखिले प्राइमरी ऑक्सिलरी जो डू वर्ब अछि प्रेजेंट फॉर्म गुड़ा होछि डू डज और तार पास्ट फॉर्म होछि डिड. आई मीन प्रेजेंट टेंस रे डू डज सिंपल फॉर्म सिंपल प्रेजेंट रे आमे डू डज व्यवहार करू देन सिंपल पास्ट रे डिड व्यवहार करू. देन बी verb is the verb of progressive form present progressive रे is am are and past progressive रे was were. Then have verb is meant for perfect form. Present perfect रे has have past perfect रे had आमे auxiliary व्यवहार. We use this type of auxiliaries. Dear students, now we got the basic knowledge about verbs. In higher classes, we can learn more about verb. Now try to test yourself. Okay, thanks.